Hello everyone and welcome to another Train Sim World video. In today's video we are doing 1 Victor 16 Nottingham to Cardiff Central, a 8:30 service on Birmingham Cross City between Birmingham New Street and Bromsgrove. Let's go. I'm surprised it's this dark. Hopefully this isn't too dark for a video. It's starting to have me worried a little bit. Where's the AWS? There's the AWS. Master key. DR8. And open doors. Only open doors on the left side then. I reckon day running's okay. Oh no, I reckon night running. Looks fine on the Twitch stream. Okay, that's cool. Thank you. Yeah, it's getting there. Which normally 8:30 on most other DLC, it's like sunset. It's not like, you know, bad levels. But hey. Lights are on. Door interlock lost. Well, let's turn train lighting on. You can turn windscreen demist on. Why have we lost door interlock? Okay. Ah, that might be because we got the doors open. That would make sense. No. Can't dispatch against a... can't close doors on a red, so we're going to have to wait. Just going to get my drink. And we've got a green and a G on the signal. Oh. What's the G for then? G for... I don't know. But we are stopping at University and Bromsgrove. I wonder if any of the cross-country services have a weird stopping pattern this late at night. Now I'm going to have to find space for all these videos. I'm thinking, because I've already got till next Saturday done. So I'm just going to have to find some extra time. Or move other ones back so I can put these forward, because this is a new DLC, so I want these out before. But find something. Right, I genuinely can't see a thing. Have we passed a 20? Yeah, we have. Can he see? He can. I can see whatever that is. It's a 323. Right drive, he's off to Lichfield City. What did I... Oh, I forgot to go get the chocolate after the last stream. Last video. Damn it. Of course I forgot. Always something. Heck, it is dark. Right. Off we go. Looks like I might see more of the stream than you do on your telly. I mean, it looks fine, it's just like, I can see that signal clearly, but, yeah, it's just a bit tough. I normally don't drive TSW in the night, so this is as dark gets, really, for me. I'm not one of those that will do a midnight run in the game. Right, have we got a cab light anywhere? No, cab light's around here somewhere, isn't it? There we go. Oh, heck, that's bright. It's better though, I can see. Should we get a quick... Ooh, yeah. Just before it gets too dark. Nice. I love nighttime runs. Lightning and all the lights out. Yeah, I don't mind a nighttime run. Like, I like a nighttime run in the 66 or something. But, yeah, passenger trains, I prefer the day. Okay, do we have a non-driver's side cab light? Up to 50, that's a double yellow though. Ping. That's what we like to hear, the pings of the AWS. Yeah, I think its next station is University, I believe. Earn a reward, use the cab light. Yeah, it says we come round. I'm sure we'll see University, all the lights up and everything. I think it's easy to know where the stations are at night, because they're the brightest thing on the blooming route. Notice board light or full cab light are only options. Alright. No, it's just because it says cab light driver's side, so I'm wondering if there's like a... Heck, it's bright. Poor adhesion site. I like how that's got fingerprints all over it. Random as hell, I know, but that screen has actually got fingerprints all over it. Which I imagine it would in real life. Right, okay, we're not far. I know that's technically cheating, but... I can see, Captain. 15 new messages since 9:01. Heck. No train fault, that's what we like to see. Yeah, that's University. It's not as bright as what I thought it'd be, actually. Oh. Oh, it's getting quite laggy. It normally does this at University. I think it's normally just this direction. Hang on, am I going to skip the station here? No. I was going to say that's an S-car board. Mine emergency brake? No. Is there a switch for the other cab light? There's aircon reset, foot warmer, train preheat, notice board light, non-driver's side cab light. Is there a switch by the non-drivers? Hang on a minute. If we're getting out the seat, that should be on. Doesn't appear to be. Nah, can't see one. Right, train doors closed 30 seconds prior to departure and all that. Into forward, and off we go. Oh, hello. Hello, are you one of these... Let's change the time of day so I can see. Are you one of these sneaky six coach services? No, but it is a 5. No, it's a 4, sorry. I have seen a 5, but that was West Midlands Railway. 4, 5, 6, 7. What's speed limit? 50? Yeah. Next stop Bromsgrove, 10 miles away. Christ, sorry about that. It's bright and early in the UK right now, but in this game it's like it's night time. Look at that office building all lit up. Oh, that does look nice. Maybe this is the start of me doing night runs in DSW. Who knows? Probably not for content anyway. Right, here's Selly Oak. There's a green signal. Do you mind? Like, come on. Oh, it's gone up to... Must be all the people calling to check TV licensing. There's a few TVs in there. Yeah, one of those offices. Do you have a TV licence? We're coming round to check your TV licence. Yeah, alright, sure you are. Heard that old chestnut many a time. Heck, have I just put power on? No. Yeah, I did. Can you see? You can. I can see Bromsgrove, not Bromsgrove, Bourneville. Obviously Bourneville painted yellow. Bourneville painted purple because of Cadbury's chocolate factory just round the corner. Nobody wants to stand behind the yellow line. Might do some collectible hunting. There's a 323. It's nice that the 323s aren't actually like, it's not, you know, it's almost surprising sometimes to see a 323. Because it's not every train is a 323. If that makes sense. Green signal. Electric trains, no access to down fast. Obviously because there's no wires in the middle bit. Yeah, it is about to go 90, I thought so. Yeah, just go for it now, we're doing 30. Off we go. I thought I could hear a 66 then. Anyway, we do love a 66. Oh look, there's the moon. Might see some freight out of Bromsgrove. Yeah, possibly. Heck, when all we can see is red signals, it's a bit scary. The time's about right. Hope so, it would be nice. Don't often see freight on this route, especially during the day. Look, there's the moon. I wonder what cheese it's made out of. Anyway. Would it look better if I turned that off? Yeah, I think it's better actually with the cab light off. We love the 66, we do. Who doesn't? Wensleydale. Oh, Wallace and Gromit. What a time to be alive. Wensleydale. I'm leaning forward to look at the screen, trying to see if it will give me more light, but obviously it's not going to, is it? Is this Longbridge? Yeah. No, that's Longbridge. What's this? This is, something. Northfield. There we go. There's a 323. Is he accelerating on now? Meow. Off we go. Watch out for that innocent nun in the kennel. Oh dear. Oh dear, 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 dear. That's Longbridge there. From Barnt Green we're going to want to probably put step 1 braking in or hold hill start down the hill to limit us from speeding. Actually, at that point, can you hold hill start down the hill? No, because it's hill start. I'm not going to try that. I'll brake it. We are whizzing along though at 75. I don't think you get up to these speeds in the ScotRail one, do you? I don't own 5 Circle, but I believe it's mostly low speed. You might do on Edinburgh Glasgow, the ScotRail 170, but I don't think you will on 5 Circle. Here come those awful running sounds. Oh, there's some cars. What do we reckon? Cab light on or cab light off? Not sure. Ooh. No, too much. It's going to damage my eyes. Cab light off. Oh, there comes the track in, so... we should see Barnt Green as we race around the corner. That's normally your sign to slow down for Barnt Green. Bit of brake step 1 from there. Bit of horrible running sounds. Oh, what's this? 323. Nice. Mosquito train. I do love the 323s, they're quite nice to drive. I wish they'd come back and update the West Midlands one with suspension now that we've got the Northern one with suspension. And do the Glossop one as well. Yeah, the 323 is nice. And hopefully the 323 services with this pack are a bit more interesting. We just got proper jolted across then. I can't see when the downhill starts, so we may already be on it, we might not be on it. Heck, there's a 75 limit. Not cheating, just cheating. There we go. Right bend, then gentle left, then down. Oh, there's a 25 across and some missing track. I wonder if that's meant to be there or if that's been... I don't know. Surely there can't be missing track on purpose. Heck, I was worried that's our red then. Then a gentle left. And now we see the descent. Oh, look, that one's on the rise. What's that? Oh, 66. Double 66. Can't see it. HKAs. Hang on, we need to start paying attention here. Was that Melbourne train guy approved? Shed hype. Shed hype is real. We do love a good shed. But if it's going to be any livery, DRS. I'm going to go as far as to say there are no bad liveries on that 66. In Train Sim World, anyway. I can't think of one. You've got EWS, normal, that looks nice. You've got EWS heavy weathered, again, looks nice. Is that a red? No, that's yellow, quite clearly. That looks nice. You've got DB cargo, nice. Really nice, really uniformed. And then you've got DB Schenker, nice. I wish they update that DB Schenker 66 to TSW5 standards, although when the remaster comes out, TSW6 standards. We got DRS, which is my personal favourite. As Melbourne Train Guy says, DRS is the best though than Weford EWS. Ooh. No, oh yeah, possibly. I think the, personally, obviously this is all opinionated, nobody's opinion is wrong. I do like the DB Cargo one as well. That's probably my second favourite. You've got the Ocean Network Express as well. The only hideous one I can think of in real life is the new Freightliner livery that looks ugly. Like, horrible ugly. Yeah, I'd love to see more liveries of the 66. GBRF, Freightliner. Those are what I want to see. The Freightliner swooshy green. I don't really care for the new Freightliner orange. I think it looks a bit meh. A Class 60 would be nice for Midland Main Line. What's that? A 323? Looks like it. Right, we are a 3 car. I want to see GBRF, Freightliner, green and yellow. Yeah, nobody wants to see Freightliner orange. Freightliner, green and yellow, though, I can get on board with. And GBRF as well. Because if we get GBRF, we could have like a 57. Or like a 56 or something. Like, there's a lot you can do with a GBRF license. Like, a GBRF license is almost as good as a cross-country license. Cross-country license for TS. Did I put it into emergency brakes then? A cross-country license would be really handy for DTG and anybody. And that we are in neutral. Oh, bye mate. That was today's video. I'll see you next time for some more Train Sim World. Goodbye for now. Oh, look at that stopping.